So today we are working on our Mark 7.5 GTI. It's been a long-term project that we've had, and we've just kind of been slowly working towards doing some upgrades, getting it just more and more track ready. So one of the biggest things that we just did was obviously an intake and exhaust system on it, but because these cars suffer from the typical air oil separator failure, we're looking to put a full air oil separator system from APR, which the beauty of that is never having to replace the air oil separator again. We're a dealer of APR products, so you can get it directly from us as well with less than 2 days, as well as plugs and coils because it's due for mileage, and then do a full carbon cleaning. So because of its miles, it's at 60K now. That's a big reason to take care of some of the maintenance work. But while we're there, why not replace it with some upgraded items? It's just going to give us a more consistent power and just more reliability for being on the track. So Jaden is definitely a strong team member here at AOS. He has a very good background in the European realm, specifically with BMW, but has worked on a lot of Euros over the last few years. So he has that ability and he has that drive. And so it just kind of worked out perfectly for him to take on this project. The performance work is, as a kid, we always dream of working on those things, right? And hopefully getting into the race car realm. And so now we've been able to kind of touch that and have all different cars that we work on. We've already did wheels and tires last year. It's already lowered. So for this year, we're going to stay on the springs. Maybe next year, stay tuned and see if we throw a coilover kit in it.